Today I have an absolutely amazing product review for you, and it is the Snugg mobile Bluetooth keyboard for iPad. As you can see, it also doubles as a carrying case. It's where you can carry your iPad around with you. It snaps in there pretty tight, so you don't have to worry about it falling out or anything like that. When you're ready to use the product, you simply just pop it out, and your iPad will be ready to go. It actually is so much like a keyboard, like an actual legit laptop, that I found it pretty easy to pick up on typing on this thing. It was very easy to pair. All you had to do was go down here and turn it on and press the Bluetooth button, and then go to your settings on your iPad, then your Bluetooth options, and then it was there on your Bluetooth. It popped up a button, a little screen that said type in this on your keyboard and hit enter, and it was connected after I did that. For the sake of this review, I'm going to hold it at a little bit of an angle so you can see it, because I don't have a tripod or anything. But basically, I'm going to go to the Notes application and test this out. Okay, just type whatever you want to. I'm going to type, hey, this is James typing on the Snugg iPad keyboard. I'm gonna sort of go up here and show you that. See how easy that was for me to type? If you're really, if you're a college student or anything and you don't have a laptop, or you just particularly don't want to carry a huge laptop to class with you, then this iPad keyboard is perfect for you. I think you can also pair it with other Apple devices. See how easy that was to set on there and take off? Another cool thing, when you put the iPad down on it to turn it into the case, it automatically puts it in sleep. So that's really cool. It saves your battery in case you forget to. Let's take a look at how slim this thing is. It is very thin and very, very well made. You can feel the quality in this case. I've heard a bunch of people complain about buying iPad keyboards and them getting them and they're really flimsy and just cheap feeling. This feels expensive. And Snugg's very affordable. If you'll check out the link in the description, I have a link directly to this product. They have fantastic technology gadgets and products. And this is definitely no exception. This is probably one of my favorite things that they have, actually. Because I go to Starbucks and places like that a lot and write and do homework and things. For a college student, this is almost a necessity if you have an iPad. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it into a case and show you how that works. I've got the iPad right here and the keyboard there. All you do is just, you heard it click, it automatically puts it to sleep. You just push down a little bit on the corner, bam, it's connected. It is in there nice and snug. That's what I love about Snugg products. They literally keep your products nice and snug in them and keep them from falling out and anything happening. This is a fantastic product for any iPad owner. For more specifications and things like that, please click the link in the description. But this is definitely a product that anybody who owns an iPad, business, student, or even just somebody who wants to type at home, needs for sure.